What you'll need is roughly 5 hard-boiled eggs, about 200 grams of cooked red beets, which I've sliced up into slices, 100 grams of plain white sugar, about 200 milliliters of water, and 200 milliliters of white vinegar. Take a pot and put everything in there: the water, the vinegar, sugar, and finally the beets. Put it on the fire and bring everything to a boil. Make sure to keep stirring so that the sugar dissolves. Once everything is boiling and the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat and just let it cool off. Once the mixture is cool enough, take a jar or whatever container you're going to use. I'm going to use this jar of about 800 milliliters. First, the eggs. On top of that, the beets. That way the eggs won't float up to the surface and will get a nice color all around. And finally, pour the liquid in there. Put a lid on it, put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight to soak in all of the beautiful flavors. So 24 hours later, look at this. I can already see the pinkness of the eggs. Let's crack it open. Oh, look at that. Nice and pickled. Let's see how it looks inside. As you can see, it has a nice pink sheen. I've only left them overnight in the fridge, but if you leave them longer, the sheen will go through the egg and it will become all pink. Perfect for salad or just as an appetizer on its own.